so excited to show you this brand new listing nestled in the heart of Sandusky County. This sprawling 2-acre property includes a homestead, a barn, an additional workshop, and a pasture area. Let's go take a look inside this barn. This barn offers so many possibilities. Storage for all your outdoor toys, or even hosting a great family event. Weddings, graduation parties, the list goes on. Enjoy this spacious living room with an expansive view out your brand new sliding glass doors and watch the wildlife walk by. While you're enjoying that spacious living area, you can flow right into the open concept kitchen and dining area that's perfect for entertaining your guests. The first floor master offers more than just an ensuite master bathroom. You get the convenience of full laundry right in your walk-in closet.